So this must be like, feels like the world's like strongest 4-cylinder engine. I mean, it flew up to 260 kilometers per hour in the limiter without a problem. I was surprised with the performance above 220 kilometers per hour. It's like bumped on the 260 speed limiter. This is a new thing with a maybe another color for me. This is a bit too Audi warning like, but I really start liking this M Performance chrome, M Performance unique chrome. I mean, when you drove this on Autobahn, you would never think it would be a 4-cylinder. It was pushing hard. I mean, how will the X3M and X4M be? That will just be crazy. I mean, not too bad rear seat, considering the sporty front seats. This was a nice touch. Wow. I don't really know the purpose of this little one hole here, but still very nice. Here's another one. Very nice 4-cylinder car. Have a look at the engine. I like this Alcantara sports seats. It reminds me about my old M33.0 E36 with the Alcantara. Oh yeah, I have to push twice. That's right. I always forget that. See the... What was that? Is that it? Anyway. M Performance. This engine looks small, but it's by no means slow. No means slow. So, have a look at my Autobahn drive and everyday drive videos. This is a nice detail on the channel. Did you see this? This is like a 200-300 euro option on some cars. I mean, other brands. Very nice. Also like this instrument cluster. Anyway, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. On this, like, world's fastest 4-cylinder engine, or the world's most strongest. Did they put 2 4-cylinder engines in it? Oh, I didn't close it. I need to fix that.